Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off automatic bulk updates on your Amazon shopping app. We will go to figure out this solution. Just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. You just waiting to open with you like this. You click here on account, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just go down here. So you keep going and you come here to content interfaces, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just when it's going to show for you like this, you go up, you click here on preferences here on up, then it's going to take you to next window here. So you just waiting to open with you like this, and you go down here, then you come here to automatic bulk updates. You will click, then you go down here, you click here on, and it's going to show for you like this. You click here on off, and like you see now it's turned off. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.